Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download footage from GoPro Fusion 360. To do it, in the app, click on download if you can see this button, so just click on download and it will start downloading. Or maybe not, but if this doesn't show or if it doesn't work, you can go to view media and then you can select the media that you want to download. So I'm gonna click on select, then select maybe just this one and click on download, and it will start downloading to my device. Now I can click on view media, and then this downloaded media will show in the media section in the app. And here is your downloaded media. You can also click on three dots to view info about it, or click here to save it to a phone or share. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.